Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm here with another Turkish snack and this is Pogaca. This is a vegetarian Pogaca with cheese and spinach filling, but you can also add any type of meat inside. First let's prepare the dough with all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, instant yeast, and a little bit of baking powder. Just give it a mix. Then add in room temperature butter, 1 egg, little bit of vegetable oil. Now add in some warm milk to activate the yeast. If required, you can add more water to knead it into a soft dough. You should knead the dough till it stops sticking to your hand. Cover it and let it rest for 2 hours until it doubles in size. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling with blanched spinach and some cheddar cheese. Mix it and keep it aside. Now after 2 hours, the dough is ready. Divide it into small portions. Roll it into an oval shape. And from the middle, cut the dough into strips. Place the filling on top. Now just tightly roll it. And make a U shape and seal the sides. In this recipe, I am showing you 2 types of Pogaca designs, but there are n number of designs you can make. The second design is called a knot design. You can make all these designs even without filling. So for the knot design, just apply some butter on the dough and just roll it and make a knot shape like this. After making all the designs, let it rest for around 30 minutes and just before baking, give it an egg wash, or you can also give a milk wash, then sprinkle some black and white sesame seeds on top. This Pogaca recipe is very much similar to a Middle East snack recipe which is called as fatar. Bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until you can see a golden shade on top. After baking, apply some butter on top of it to give a good glaze. Our delicious Turkish Pogaca snack is ready. Definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.